This video, I'm going to show you how you can update any Bible version to the latest version on BibleShow. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to find out if there is any update of your Bible version, you need to go ahead and open your BibleShow program and then head to options here and choose Bible. Here you'll be able to see all the installed Bible versions on your program. And if we have any update, you can see we have one here under King James. So it means I'm using an outdated version and there are some changes that have been made or upgrades. I can get the latest version by just tapping on update, and this will go ahead and install the latest version. As you can see, it is downloading and now it has been installed. So now I have the latest version and you can see it here, together with the details on when it was even last updated. So that's how you can update Bible versions on BibleShow program. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.